Good morning, guys. Today I going to amusement park to ride on some roller coaster. So let's begin this travel. Hey guys, I just back from Energylandia to home, and I need to tell you there was very good day, a lot of fun with friends, and I need to tell you two things when you go to Energylandia. First is grab with you some clothes to change because there is some water attraction, and when you will be wet, good to have something to change. And second is if you want spend there whole day and you have long way to home, good to grab some accommodation nearby Energylandia in Zator town to get some rest, because if you need after whole day go to car and go to home, I don't know, 2-3 hours, you will be so tired. So better option is rent some accommodation and stay there in the whole night and start going to the home next day. If you want to subscribe my channel, use a button below.